Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Florida sales tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in floridarevenue.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Florida Tax Department. Now from the homepage, click on the File and Pay option and you will see the list of various different categories of taxes. Scroll down until you find Sales and Use Tax and then click on it. You will then be taken into the login portal for your sales tax account. Now you have two different options of logging in. You can either enter your certificate number or business partner number and also your user ID and password. Go ahead and type in your user ID that you created while signing up for your account, and within the password box type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot User ID or Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Florida sales tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.